Hi guys, new launch from SS, new kit bags, all very premium. I'll show you the range. There are 4 models, they're master series, all of them. I'll show you one by one all of them. To start off, this is the duffel kit bag, master 2000. This is retailing around 3600 rupees and this doesn't have wheels. So I'll just take you through the bag. I'll just show you. To start off, I'll show you the bat compartment first. So this is the bat compartment wherein you can easily put 3 of your bats. There are separate pockets for 3 bats. Again, one distinctive thing compared to the other competitors is that this is fairly easy to operate. Then few of the other bags wherein what happens is this space is pretty cramped, and after loading the bag up to the full, this is fairly difficult to get the bats out. In this case, these are pretty comfortable. So this is one part. That space is quite good over there, the bat compartment. And then I'll show you the main compartment. So this is the main compartment. Again, we've stacked it to the full. I'll again tell you, we have even included a wicket keeping kit here. This is your helmet, and then these are your pair of batting gloves. This is your pair of leg guards, and then we've put in your combo thigh guard and your elbow guard. So this is your complete space in the main compartment. And then for the wicket keepers, we've put a pair of wicket keeping gloves here, and there are side pockets which again are deep. There are deep side pockets on both sides, so we've put in wicket keeping leg guards in this. So this is one piece of batting wicket keeping leg guard, I beg your pardon, and the second one. So these are deep side pockets we've put in. So we've stacked it up to the full, including your wicket keeping set. So this is a full kit, and then there's your shoe compartment. So again, you can put in your pair of shoes. So this is it, guys. This is the Master 2000 entry level kit bag from SS, all new range. Coming to the material, quality of material and color, the color looks really nice. So, and then quality wise also, this is hard Tetron, so this is pretty thick. The material used is really nice. This is your cushion handle up front. Coming to the back, again, this is all padded stuff. This stuff is padded for your comfort, and again these padded straps here. This is all bat compartment is also padded. SS logo at the back, looks nice. So this is Master 2000, guys. This is bag number 1. Now coming to the second bag, this is Master 5000. This is a full size trolley wheelie. Again, I'll show you the stuff first. So this is it, guys. This has got a Sunridges logo at the back. This is your handle to carry the bag. This is all again cushioned, nice cushioning here. And this is your wheels. These are again tractor wheels, fairly sized. Similar, all have the same color combination. So I'll show you this bag. This is a helmet compartment up front at the top. So we've put in a Masterclass Air titanium helmet here, 2.0. This is your helmet compartment, and then I'll show you your main compartment. It has oozes of space. You can put in as much as you wish to. So we've put in how many, I guess I'll show you what all we've put in. This is 2 bats we've put here. There's no separate bat compartment, and you can even put in even more bats. So a pair of batting gloves, a pair of leg guards, and your thigh pad and elbow guard. But you can easily put in many more pair of gloves and even your wicket keeping set here. This is a full size trolley, nothing much to show. You have a different shoe compartment, and you have enough number of side pockets to maybe maybe put in your accessories. So this is a deep shoe pocket, and then you have two side pockets on both sides, wherein you can put in all your accessories or even your clothing. This is again good. We've put in a pair of wristband, a pair of socks, a pair of supporter here. This is your bat cover kept here, and there's another pocket here. We've kept it empty, but you can put in any accessories you wish to. So this is bat number 2. This is bag number 2. This is Master 5000. These are two bags we've shown you. Now coming to the flagship bags. This is a flagship trolley bag. This is Master 9000. And for me, the flagship bag is here. This is Master 7000. This is the flagship bag for me from SS, because duffel bags are in now. Duffel bag is the thing to go for nowadays, with all the brands coming up with their version of major duffel bags. The Master 5000, which I showed you, this one retails at 3990. So it's a really good full size trolley bag for 3990. Now I'll show you the Master 7000, my favorite kit bag of the lot. Again, huge in size. You check out the sheer size of the bag. It's huge, bit different. The material also, most of the material is still Tetron, same material used. And the top is kind of matte finish, really nice. Again, Sunridge's logo here. Master 7000. I'll show you the stuff again. So this is a top opening kit bag, wherein you can put in 6 of your cricket bats. So this is a separate thing. See, there's a helmet we've kept in here, and plus there are 6 bat pockets here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 bats are here, and this is separated from your main compartment. This is just a separation from your main compartment. Again, this material is, check this stuff out. This is pretty hard here. So this is hard here again. So the bats are really protected well. And then this is your main compartment. It's gonna be a real long video. So again, we've stacked it up. So this is your wicket keeping leg guards here. And then we have your, this is one pair of batting gloves, your elbow guard, and your batting leg guards. This is the space in your main compartment. It goes deep here as well. And then this is your shoe compartment here. A pair of shoes here in here. And then you have your side compartments. I'll take you through that as well. So this is again a full size side compartment. You've got enough space here. You can even put in your leg guard here if you choose to. Maybe your wicket keeping leg guard as well. We've put in a wicket keeping gloves here, and we've put in a pair of socks here. But it is full deep pocket. See how big the pocket, and it opens up also really well. This is your thigh guard combo here, and again another wristband here. And then you have a bottle holder here. Again, this is a cooled bottle holder here. It will keep your cold water bottle cool. So this is it, guys, and then few net pockets on both sides. So this is Master 7000. I'll take you to the last of the lot. This is Master 9000, again a full size trolley bag. The Master 7000 we showed you, this one retails at 5110. And again I'll show you one more thing we missed out is, so this is the handle again at the back, again padded shoulder straps here, you can tie them together. And again there is this, you can just tuck them inside as well. I'll show you that as well. So then your bag is pretty neat. And again similar wheels here, fairly sized tractor wheels here. So this is Master 7000 guys, retailing around 5000 INR, and I'll show you the Master 9000 flagship kit bag from SS, full size trolley. Had I been a little slimmer I would fit in, but that is not the case. I'll show you the bag. Again starting here, check out this wheels here. This is full sized huge tractor wheels here, 3 wheels compared to 2 on the different other bags. And again this is your trolley, and I'll show you the stuff. Check out the sheer size of the bag. So this is your bat compartment here on top. So we've put in we've put in 4 bats here. You can put even more if you wish to, if you carry more than these. This is your bat pocket. You can even put in some accessories also. And then beneath the bat pocket, I'll show you, is your main compartment. This opens up completely. Again you can put in all you wish to. Check out the amount of space this has guys. So we've put in here is your 1, 2, 3 and 4 pair of batting gloves, your batting leg guards, and your wicket keeping gloves, as well as your wicket keeping leg guards, your elbow guards and your helmet. Further, again there is enough amount of space left. You can even put in all your accessories and all. There's a net mesh pocket here, 3 pockets again in various compartments. You can put in your accessories, your wallet, your keys, your socks, your inner gloves or whatever, your supporters. So this is Master 9000. And there's a shoe pocket on top wherein we've kept a pair of shoes as well. So this is your shoe pocket. So this is it guys. This is Master 9000 flagship trolley from SS. This retails at a whopping 6365. Really well priced for the size and quality. The material again is really nice, really big wheels. So we're the first in the country to get these bags, the new Master Series kit bag, and they're worth every penny. Really nice colors, really nice material. Great job by SS. This should be doing really good in the market. Thanks guys, cheers.